Alright, so today we are headed to the beach. We're going to be there for 5 days. We're staying in a condo right on the ocean. It's going to be sweet. I'm excited.
I'm excited.
Mom's excited. So we're going to pack and get on the road.
Love me, love me, love me. You gotta love me, love me, love me. You gotta love me, love me, love me. You gotta love me, love me, love me.
Alright, so the car is all packed up. We're gonna go ahead and drive, and I'll see you guys there. Alright, so we've arrived in the condo. I'm about to make lunch right there. My mom is already eating lunch and she's stressing out about the Wi-Fi, which is classic. Condo is pretty nice. Good kitchen. Nice wave photo painting. Just got a great view of the bay side, which is right there. And then over here is the ocean view, which it's kind of hard to see, but I swear that's the ocean right there. Alright, for the sake of convenience, I'm switching to the GoPro to vlog. Low tide is in 20 minutes. I'm gonna go try to find someone to surf. And yeah, I'm excited. We're at the beach, great weather.
Breeze, not too hot.
Exactly. Alright, so we're finally at the beach. There's not many waves, but there's a few small waves. Alright guys, so my surf session got cut short because my GoPro started acting up. It totally froze on me. I couldn't turn it off. I couldn't stop recording or end the recording. So anyway, I'm here with my brother, hanging out. We just had dinner. We were at a crab feast, Eastern Shore stuff. Josh, how do you like in Ocean City?
Same old, bro, you know.
How you liking the condo? That's good. So it's all good. I'm about to call it a night. I'm hoping to surf tomorrow on the sunrise, and hopefully my GoPro works so I can take you guys along for that. Fingers crossed that we get waves in the morning and that I can record. See you then. Again, the conditions aren't the best, but it's definitely rideable. And kind of just woke up today looking to get a few waves. I don't really care how good they are. So it's a beautiful morning. It feels great out. I'm wearing a wetsuit today just because it's still a little chilly. Water's in the 60s. And I'm riding a 710 just to get into these waves a little earlier.
Let's keep smiling. Let's keep laughing. Let's keep smiling. Let's keep laughing. Let's keep smiling. Let's keep laughing. Let's keep smiling. Let's keep laughing.